it going, everyone? One more video from 161 Powersports. We're open on the ice day over here. We've got this brand new Strike Shadow 60 boat on sale for $19.99 for the snow day special. We're having it on sale here at 161 Powersports. We're giving away free helmet and a pair of gloves as well. This is the Strike Shadow 60 boat. As you can see, it's real snappy and torquey, get up to 50 miles per hour. It's got 3 mode. So if you're a beginner rider, intermediate rider, this bike's perfect for you. It's got no maintenance that it needs, very minimal. Just make sure you got your brake fluids, your regular stuff, your chains are up and tight, and then make sure your tires are full of air, inner tubes are all good. That's about it. No smell of gas, no need to worry about carburetors, any of that stuff, no maintenance, no oil changes. Just plug it up, your charge is full, you're ready to roll.